Are you facing earphone detection issues? Does your speaker or earphone doesn't work properly? Then this application can probably solve your problem. All you have to do is download this simple application, and if your issue is earphones not getting detected, simply click on the first button. And now your earphones will work, simple as that. And if your issue is no sound from speaker, all you have to do is click on the second button. That's it. Your issue is solved. If you want to reset all these changes, you can click on the reset button down below. If this app works for you and if you would like to support us, you can get the ad-free version by clicking here. All these fixes will also reset once you restart your phone, so you don't need to worry about using this application. Also, your reviews are greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching.